At Nintex, we recognize that many of your processes are unique to your organization and require collaboration and design specific to your requirements. However, there are many organizations that share similar process automation needs as yours for things like new employee onboarding, invoice processing, and purchase request processing. Wouldn't it be nice to have a centralized location that provides pre-built process maps and installable templates for workflows, RPA bot flows, connectors, and more across the suite of products Nintex offers? In this video, we are going to take a tour of the Nintex Gallery and see how it provides that exact capability. You can access the Nintex Gallery by entering the URL gallery.nintex.com into your web browser. Once you have landed there, you will find it organized by capability in the upper section. As you move down the page, you will also be able to find templates based on how they are trending in popularity. You can see by capability that there are templates for Nintex Workflow Cloud Workflows, process maps for Nintex Pro Map, as well as automation templates for Nintex K2, Nintex Cryon, and more. Now, if you already have a template in mind, you will also find value in using the search filter at the top of the page. You can search across all categories or select a category from the filter dropdown and enter specific search keywords to help you quickly find what you are looking for. For those who would like to extend functionality in your Nintex Workflow Cloud environment to third-party platforms that may not already have connectors in the system, we provide some pre-built connector extensions in the Connector Gallery. Examples include Slack, Amazon S3, and LinkedIn, to name a few. To demonstrate importing a pre-built Nintex Workflow Cloud workflow, we can go back to the Workflows Gallery. Then go to the Invoice Processing System template and select it from the list. Notice in this example, we have the option to import the workflow. The gallery then asks us to enter our Nintex Workflow Cloud tenant name as it shows up in the Nintex Workflow Cloud URL. I'll go ahead and do that. Next, we can validate the tenant name. Then click the Import button. From there, we are redirected over to our Nintex Workflow Cloud environment, where the Import Workflow box is open with the workflow key and workflow name fields already populated. I'll click the Import button next. And with that, we have the pre-built workflow in this Nintex Workflow Cloud tenant. For ProMap, we need to perform one extra step, so let's take a look at how importing a pre-built process map works. On my screen, I have the gallery opened on a change and release management group of pre-built processes. To get these into ProMap, I'll first click the Download button, which will bring down an XML file for this group of processes. Then we can jump over to ProMap, where I already have a group set up in my environment where I want these new process maps to live. If you are a Pro Master for your environment, you can import that XML file by going up to the gear icon. Then hover over the Import/Export menu option and select Import from XML. Click on the Choose File button. Select the desired file. Finally, import it into ProMap. And as you can see, we have a group of processes ready for customization. Remember, as you begin the design stage of your automation project, it's always a good idea to check out the Nintex Gallery to see if something exists that will help you jumpstart your effort.